How to use Nearby Share on your Android phone. In June 2020, Google launched a feature that Android users have been anxiously awaiting for years, its answer to Apple's AirDrop. It came in the form of something called Nearby Share, and it allows you to easily share links to other Android users through a streamlined and simple process. Nearby Share is now widely rolling out to all Android phones. And if you aren't quite sure how to use it, we'll be walking you through all of its ins and outs. Let's get started. To get the ball rolling, we'll take a look at how you initiate Nearby Share on your phone to share something with a contact. It's just as easy as sharing something through any other app on your phone. With the whole process going as follows. Tap the share icon on something you want to share. It looks like 3 circles with lines connecting them. You can use Nearby Share to share links, files, and other items on your phone. So feel free to play around with it and use it to share all kinds of things. That's how you share something with someone else. But what does the whole process look like from the other angle? If you're receiving a file via Nearby Share, this is what you'll see. Once again, we're treated to a very clean and simple user interface, making Nearby Share wonderfully easy to use. Now that you know how to use Nearby Share, it's time to start customizing the feature so that it works exactly the way you want it to. There are a few different things you can tweak, and they're all worth messing around with. Those last 2 settings are perhaps the most important, as they greatly impact how you can use Nearby Share. If you're sharing a sensitive file that you don't want to accidentally get in the hands of the wrong person, you can limit Nearby Share to only work with select contacts that you choose. Furthermore, if you don't want other Android users to be able to send you things, you can make your phone hidden from the service entirely. The data usage page is also quite interesting, especially the option that allows you to exclusively share files without an internet connection. This will slow down the process, especially for larger files. But it's a nice option to have if you're trying to watch your data usage. If you want a phone that'll get the latest Android updates as soon as they're released, the Pixel 4 is for you. Along with being backed by that excellent software support, the Pixel 4 also delivers a gorgeous AMOLED display, top-notch cameras, and buttery-smooth performance. If you're getting frustrated with the lack of privacy, slower speeds, or difficulty using extensions in Chrome, it's time to switch to one of these web browsers. Why would you want to plug in your phone every single time you set it down to charge when wireless charging is as widely available? These are the wireless chargers that you can trust to get you charged up consistently and stylishly. If someone ever tells you to get good at a video game, don't sweat it. Pick yourself up a pair of thumb grips for your PlayStation 4 controller and watch your game take off. These are the best ones you can find. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.